Hi friends, we're going to install this water tank for our car windshield cleaner. We're going to put it here in our garage, so it is practical and useful when you want to clean your car's windshield, okay? It comes with a base that you put to the wall so you can get the tank in and out, and you can wash it, clean it, or refill it with water, okay? Let's do it. We always use our protection gear, our lenses and gloves. And this accessory helps you to drill just the exact depth that you want and not drill over depth, okay? So it's great to help you to drill just to the depth that you want. Perfect. I use my Black & Decker battery operated drill, and I use it in a 10th position depending on how much torque you want. Okay. Now we have water in our tank and we're going to fix it to the wall. Perfect. So when you want to clean your car's windshield, it will be ready. We are using this Rain-X cleaner that you can adjust the length, and that way we'll have our windshields, the windshield of our cars clean. Let's do it.